In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can control the cursor over the map via both client-side API and some JavaScript, and also set your own custom server via a server-side AJAX callback. So here we've got a basic map with the World Map Kit background, and if we come over here and we click a different type of cursor in the drop-down box, you'll see once I move my mouse over the map, it changes the cursor type. And all of these ones here in the list box are built into Map Suite, so you can easily change them via some client-side API. We also have a custom one down here as well that you can do an AJAX callback and switch it on the server to be your own custom cursor, which works well too if you have some detailed requirements with cursors. So let's take a look at the source code and see how you would implement this. Let's start on the view source, and down here is where we're setting up our map, just adding the World Map Kit overlay and rendering the map out to the page. And here's where our list box is with all the different types of cursors that we have. And you can see we've got them listed down here. And when the user selects any of these cursors, we're going to call the change cursor JavaScript routine, and that's up here. So the first thing we do is get the value of from the list box that the user selected, so we know what cursor they want. And then we've got an if statement here. So if it's custom, then we're going to need to go to the server to change it. But if it's not, then we can just use the set cursor method off of the map to set it all client side, and we're done. So if you're using the built-in ones, it's very easy just to use the set cursor JavaScript API and method to set it, and that's it. Now if you do have your custom one, you'll need to do an AJAX callback to the server, and you do that through this AJAX call action method. Tell it to controller and also the method that you want to call on the server, and then the callback routine you want to execute once it's done. So in this case, we're just doing the callback, setting the location back to whatever response data we get, and setting the new cursor location by giving the exact URL that was returned from the server. So let's just go quickly to the server and check what happens when that get cursor, custom cursor is called. And you can see in this case we're just getting a path to a custom cursor we have on the server and returning it so it can be used and set on the client side. So I hope this sample app walkthrough has been helpful. If you need to change your cursor types, it's a good one to look at. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, or you can post your questions directly on our discussion forums at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.